So today I'm going to be going over how to create a basic tycoon game in Roblox Studio. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Roblox website and download Roblox Studio. And then you're going to go, once you download it, it'll create a desktop icon. You go into this studio and log in. And once you log in, you'll see over here on the left, there's a new experience. This is one of the games I already made. It's called Billionaire Tycoon. So you're going to want to go to New Experience. And it will create a base plate. The first thing I do when I get in here is delete. This is the spawn location. So I click this, and then I click delete. And then you're going to want to go over here to your toolbox. You can search for things like Tycoon map. And when you search for it, you want to search for it in models. There's multiple selections here, but you want to search in models. And here you can see there are pre-made Tycoon maps. And this is for people that don't know how to write script yet. But here is a good one, this Tycoon map right here. We're going to try this one. Okay, so it kind of shoves me under the map. If you scroll up, you can kind of zoom in, and then if you right click and move your mouse around, drag your mouse around, you can actually move around from left to right, up and down and such. Okay, so this is what the Tycoon map looks like. Now, you'll notice that we don't have any tycoons in here, tycoon buildings. So what we're going to want to do is type in Tycoon kit. And it will show us some pre-made Tycoon kits. And let's see what this one looks like, this Tycoon kit here. Okay, that one, I'm not sure I want to use that one. Let's try Molnar Tycoon kit. Okay, it has scripts. Okay, so this is what the Molnar Tycoon kit looks like. It's a very big building. We're going to want to place it right around one of these blocks where you can, it almost looks like there's a little sidewalk. So we'll go with that. Actually, let's place it right here. Okay. So we have one tycoon there, and we're going to want to make a few of them. See, we can drag and drop it right on top of these pre-made areas. I'm going to do another one. Okay, now we got to make sure that the doors are in the right place. This one isn't. So, how you rotate this? First you got to select it. Then you hit rotate. We're going to rotate it completely around until the door is in the right place. That's not it either. There we go. Okay, so our door is in the right place. Let's move it forward a little bit. Okay. Now we got two more. And if we want, we can put something else. If you just want 4, we can put something else like an Apple Store. Yeah, I'll show you how to do that in a minute. All right, so We're going to need to rotate this one. We're going to need to bring it forward a little extra because the buildings are in the way back here. There we go, that'll work. And over here, I don't think we have enough room to make one of those over here, so we'll do something like Apple Store. Actually, let's just type in store. Alright, so let's do Apple. Apple's better than Android. Alright, so now we're going to want to rotate this so that you can get in. Alright, so we have our Tycoons, and as you can see, there's droppers, there's things already programmed into it. There's cosmetics and stuff that you can buy. So now we're going to want to, okay, you can add guns into the game so that when you spawn, you start with guns, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so we'll type in shotgun. Now this works with some of them it doesn't, but okay, these shotguns here, I know it works with these. Put this tool into the starter pack. You click yes, yes, yes. And then you'll see over here in your Explorer that there's 3 different types of shotguns, so you're not going to want 3 shotguns. So you click on one of them, delete it, maybe leave shotgun 3. Okay, now we'll put a sniper rifle. Okay, this has scripts. Put all 3 of them into the starter pack and then go through and delete 2 of them if you only want 1 sniper. Okay, now we'll put a rocket launcher. Alright, we have a rocket launcher. Put it into the starter pack. And let's do one more, a laser gun. This laser gun is pretty cool. It disintegrates you when the lasers hit you. All right, so we'll put that into the starter pack. All right, now I'm gonna want to add some statues. So we'll put a cat statue. That one's not showing up. Let's try this one. Okay, these aren't showing up. Let's try zooming out a little bit. Okay, we have a cat statue. Now we can make it bigger by going to scale and dragging these. Okay, we have a cat statue. Now let's do a frog. All right, let's do this one. Okay, this one's way too big, so we're gonna want to scale it down. Okay, we now have cat statue and a frog statue. Wonder what that's about. Maybe cat frog. All right, so we have a cat statue and a frog statue. So now we can add things like coil giver or a magic carpet. So let's type in magic carpet. Magic carpet giver. We'll try that. Actually, let's try coil giver. Okay, you want to find the ones that have the best ratings, like this gravity coil. This one seems like it might work okay. Speed coil has 84%. Let's try that one. So we're gonna move that right next to it. All right, let's do the magic carpet. Let's find one with a good rating. This one is 87%, so we'll do that. All right, so now we have speed coil, gravity coil, and a magic carpet. And you want to try to line them up, make them look nice. All right, so we have that. Now we can make a big money sign. All right, so we have a money sign. Let's move it. Let's rotate it like that and scale it. Make it bigger. All right, so now we have a big old money sign, cat frog statues, and let's add a stack of cash. All right, so we have a big old stack of money. Actually, no, let's not do that one. Let's do this one. All right, we're gonna make that bigger. And move it back. Now, this is cool. I gotta show you guys how to do this. So, raining money. Figured out how to do this on one of our tycoons. All right. Let's try this one. Yep, this is it. Gotta get it to spawn in the right spot. All right. This isn't working. I'm gonna undo all this. Okay, so we're gonna try this again. Raining money. All right, as you can see, the money is just dropping out of the sky. So we're gonna move this up. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Now we're going to scale it to make it rain money all over the map. Actually, we'll just make it rain money over Cat Frog for now. Well, actually, it is starting to work. So we will try to drag it. Okay, so right now it's raining money over this area. So we're going to try to copy it and paste it. Yeah, so now it's basically raining money everywhere. Let's move it right there. Oh, we'll move it right there. Alright, now we got to move it down so that it rains to the ground. Okay, and we'll do one more of them. So now it's raining money all over the map, which is pretty cool. Alright, so as you can see, that only took a little bit to do. Now we have to add our spawn point. Let's type in spawn. Alright, we can put this fancy one. I like this one. We'll just put it right here. That's where everybody spawns. Alright. So now what you have to do to publish it to Roblox, save file or save to Roblox as, we're going to create new game. This one will be Cat Frog Tycoon. No, we'll do Cat Frog Adventures. Description, earn stacks of cash in this lengthy tycoon game. Actually, earn stacks of cash and climb your way to the top in this lengthy tycoon game. You know what? Even better. Become a billionaire. Alright, so we want to enable it on all of these, the computer, phone, tablet, VR. I'm not going to do console on this one because I'm pretty sure in these tycoon kits you have to tap on the screen in order to do part of it. So we're just going to stick with those. We want team create on. So data sharing, I'm okay with data sharing. Save. Okay, we're going to go ahead and save it. it'll kick you out of it, and then it'll bring you back into it. All right, now I forgot one thing. So we'll go to audio, and let's see what kind of music we might want. Let's do tropical music. All right, let's see what this sounds like. I like that. So we're gonna add it in. We don't want to add it right here. We're gonna cut and go down to sound service and paste into sound service. Then you want to go down here and click play on, and then go down to looped, so that it will just continuously loop the music. And I just click all the boxes because that's what works for me. But then I click on archive and re-click it because it seemed like it glitched one time when I didn't do that. But all right, so we're gonna go ahead and save to Roblox, and then publish to Roblox. And after you publish it to Roblox, you're gonna have to go into, I do this in Internet Explorer. Let's see, create.roblox.com. Okay, so now as you can see, my Roblox Adventures Tycoon is in here, but it's set to private. So now you're going to want to go into your settings, click public, but then notice it's not eligible yet. So you have to manage the maturity label. You start this like questionnaire. Yes, there's violence, moderate violence, repeated. No, there's no blood, no fear, no crude humor, no gambling, no strong language, no romance, no alcohol, no, it's not a social hangout, no sensitive issues, none of that, no paid random items, no media sharing, and no on that. Okay, so continue, submit. Okay, now go back to settings, click public. You're gonna want to set your thing to your genre to simulation tycoon. Okay, save changes, confirm. Now go back to creations and notice how it's public. So now we're going to go into Roblox and test it out. Okay, so Roblox player. Okay, how you get to it on your profile is you go to more, profile, view full profile. It's lagging a little bit. It's going slow. All right, and then you go to creations. And if I go over, I can go to Roblox Adventures Tycoon. And eventually you're going to want to upload a thumbnail and an image, an icon image. And I make those with AI generators, and then I just add text to them. Let's go ahead and check it out and see what it's like. Alright, so I have music. Speed coil doesn't work. But let's see if the gravity coil does. Yep, the gravity coil works. Yep, it's raining money. Let's see if the magic carpet works. Yep, we have a flying carpet. Alright. Alright, so we'll go ahead and claim our base. Looks like the buttons are working. I'm playing on PC, so I can't click. Maybe E? No, it won't let me. But yeah, as you can see, the game works. The Tycoon works. And yeah, that's about it. That's how you make a Tycoon game in Roblox. And I will go ahead and do a trial run on my tablet, and I'll screen record it, and I'll go ahead and put it in this video as well. So here in a second you'll see what it's like to play the game on a mobile device. Alright, so we logged into the game. Our spawn point's working. Alright, we're gonna go claim our base. Let's see how that works. Alright, so we have our base. We're gonna go ahead and get our first dropper. This is a manual one, so you just gotta tap on that green button. This is all working so far. Run over here, collect the cash, get another dropper. Making some money. Go ahead and click it a few times. Collect some more cash. Get us some walls. Alright, well, so far it looks like we have a functioning Tycoon. If you guys found this video useful, go ahead and like and subscribe for us. We'd really appreciate it. We're trying to grow our channel so that we can monetize. And if you want some more content like this, I might find out how to make some more types of maps, and someday I want to look into YouTube lessons on how to script in the game so I can do more stuff with this. We're still beginners at the moment, but we're hoping to progress from here. All right, yeah. So thanks for watching.